Oh, hey everyone, Jason here at Evo Technology, and this video was inspired by a recent conversation that I had with one of our customers where we were talking about the Evo M51 board. Now, he is using this as sort of a kind of a DSP processing engine, if you will, capturing some data coming into the FPGA, shipping it through across to the SAMD processor, and then going out to a host where this thing will be embedded. Now, that is one of the great applications where you can use our hardware. Great place to use FPGAs in general. We actually have quite a few customers doing that with our snowboard as well, where that's just getting integrated right into a carrier and being able to be used as part of a system board that our customer is building. Now, the thing that struck me in this conversation with this customer is he said, you know, Jason, one of the things you guys have done with this is made it really easy to just communicate back and forth between the SAMD and the FPGA. And when I heard that, I thought, well, yeah, of course. I mean, that was the whole idea in the first place. But what he said is what you don't realize is that that is actually not necessarily an easy thing to do, and that he has done other projects in the past where he's put down a microcontroller next to an FPGA or a CPU next to an FPGA. And even though they might have complementary interfaces, even though you have tons of flexibility on how to wire them up, designing each end of that so that you have this easy to use, relatively seamless interface between those two chips is, while it's not necessarily super complex to do, it is time intensive, or can be time intensive, to do it and verify it and make sure it's always going to work. And where if you start off with one of our boards where that's already there, you don't have to worry about that. So right out of the gate, you have a functioning paired microcontroller and FPGA that allows you to go both directions, right? From the SAMD to the FPGA, from the FPGA back to the SAMD, making it very, very simple for you to get started doing your design and separating the stuff you want to run in the software from the stuff that you want to be able to do on the FPGA. And this is one of those things, again, that for us, I mean, that was the whole idea, or not the whole idea, but one of the original ideas of why we designed this the way we did and why we put so much time, energy, and effort into the FPGA interface between the fabric and the microcontroller. So it's as easy as possible for you to be able to make it work for what you need it to do. So that is it. I mean, I just wanted to share that. Now, I can't name the customer or anything like that, but I just want to say thank you to him, in case he happens to watch this video, for just reminding me that, that's something that was easy to do. It's very nice to hear, actually, and I appreciate that, but I also wanted to share it with the rest of you so that you, maybe it's something you haven't thought about. So if you're thinking, hey, I want to put down a microcontroller sitting next to an FPGA, I want to make it easy to use, we have you covered with Evo M51. So I encourage you to go and check it out. You can go to our website, aloriumtech.com/Evo, EVO. It'll take you to the webpage for this product, and you can learn more, see if it's a fit for you. Reach out to us if you have questions. You can email us. You can get all of our support information on the website. We would love to interact with you and get you going using this awesome platform and applying FPGA parallelism, performance, speed, and determinism to your projects. Anyway, that is it for this video. Appreciate you watching, and we will talk to you very soon. Take care.